Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Science at YouTube channel. Today I am going to do day 28 of the Sponsors presentation of the day 79th of the next course. Today I have learned about past simple tense, stating that thing in stating a past situation and a past time. Let me show you the study material. Information of a past state of something else, someone. You give plural nouns plus those this way plus verb 3 form as user. The crowds are watched with diligence. I was verb 3 form as use. I was excited about the movie. Singular noun that this is it. Was plus verb life on she was pleasure for the interview. Similarly, negative sentence are they not verb 3, they not verb, was not verb 3, was not verb. Some examples. And I completed written the code implementation and sequence to scoring for the full year and this one full. And in basic practice, I have scored 17 by 20. And then here, I should be a secret full out of it. But in assignment, I have lost one mark out of 10, 9. That's great. That's it for this video. Please share and subscribe channel with your friends. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.